Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a Korean inspired makeup look. This is the look I'll be going for, so let's begin. So starting off, I'll prep my skin with this toner, that is a Japanese toner. So I have used it in my skincare routine as well, and it works wonders before using any makeup. So if you prep your skin with this, it gives you a good moisture and helps you in blocking your foundation, and works as a primer and a base as well. I'll be using the Wet n Wild foundation, so I'll glide it all over my face. And by the way, I'm wearing contact lenses, and it is in this color Spicy Gray. Now I'll be taking a beauty blender. It is a rectangular beauty blender and it works really well. I'll be blending the foundation. And now I'll be using the Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil that is in the shade dark brown, and will fill up my brows and give definition to it. So, and then after I will also do my other eyebrow and also I will also fill up my brows, and then after I will brush it to blend all the pencil color together so that it looks really clean and neat, and my brows look thicker because I really like thicker brows like Lily Collins. So now I'll be using the Maybelline Baby Lips chapstick to moisture my lips so that it doesn't get chapped before I proceed further with the makeup. I'll take my contour stick from Wet n Wild and contour my nose, my cheekbones, and wherever I want to contour, and give my face a little definition so that I look a little slimmer because my face is really fat. So now I'll take the sponge and blend the contour so that I do not look like I have awkward lines on my face. And it gives you a good sun-kissed look, which is really good during autumn. And Korean makeup has the girls use a lot of contour to define their face and make their face look slimmer and smaller. So that's why we are doing this, to make our face look smaller and slimmer. So now I'll be using the Makeup Revolution FFB palette, and that is a peach color I'll be using, and my brush is from Color Bar. So I'll be taking the color of the peachy color and using it in my outer corner so that my eyes get a pop of color and it looks a little shimmery. The color is a little shimmery, it's not matte, so it looks a little shiny. I'll be taking a dark brown shade, and also I'll be using it in my outer corner to define my crease so that I look like I have a better crease. So this gives like a really pop of color to my eyes, and I have used this color also because it highlights the Spicy Gray contact lenses that I'm wearing. So I'll be also using it on the lower portion of my eyes. Now I'll be taking a shimmery silver color just on the middle of my eyelids to give it a really shiny, bright looking eye so that I don't look dead. I saw this in a Korean makeup tutorial, so that's why I've used it. I'll be using the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. You have seen this before, and I'll highlight all the necessary areas like my inner corners on the eyes, and also the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. Yes, I love a good highlighter because it makes you look so glowy, and the glass skin trend is also in the market. You know, the trend is so good, so to have a really good skin you need to have a good highlighter that reflects the light from your skin so that it looks like you're glowing in a healthy way. So that's how I've used that. And now I'll be using the makeup setting spray by Wet n Wild to set my makeup, and also I'll be curling my lashes using this, so it makes my lashes really long. And I do not use falsies, but in Korean makeup you do use falsies. And this is my mascara from Gala of London, and I'll be using it generously on my lashes to make it look really big and thick, as I do not use falsies. I've said that before as well. And also on my lower lashes, I'll be taking a powder blush that is from Hilary Rhoda, so I'll be just patting it onto my skin. So that I do not want a good pigmentation, I just want a little pigmentation onto my cheeks. And also I'll be using it on my nose, because I've seen some Korean girls do that and it looks really cute, so I'll be doing that. And now I'll be using Nude lipstick by Lotus, and I'll be using it all over my lips. Now I'll be using a red color lipstick by Lakme, and with a brush I'll be using it in the inner lips, because I've seen Korean girls do that to give a gradient look to your lips, and it makes your lip look much smaller, like a baby. So, and I'll be taking the blender to just take off the excess lipstick. That's all. Yay. Opening my hair then, and setting up my hair, and the look is done. I hope you have enjoyed the makeup look. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!